Your customer's going to upgrade their stereo. Previously, we discussed speaker wiring and the do's and don'ts of that project. Today, let's look at the power side of things. Modern stereos are a great upgrade. People like the clean, crisp sounds of high-power amplifiers and the deep thumping bass notes that are possible. These characteristics require a lot of power to deliver these notes. Bigger and multiple amplifiers are usually involved. Most original equipment systems are not designed to handle these types of loads. Trying to run these through the existing fuse block will spell trouble or even disaster for your customer. Designing the system takes some planning. How many amps will be used? Where will they be located? How will they be cooled? Big amps create large amounts of heat, and it needs to go somewhere. Many systems will require a second battery and possibly a new or second alternator. The typical high-power stereo will be wired direct to the power source. Most will use relays to turn them on and off. Very large cables will be used to carry the needed current. Do not let your customer think they're going to run their new system on 14-gauge wire. A 100-watt amplifier with an 8-foot run should have 10-gauge wires for power. As power or distance goes up, so does the cable size requirement. A 1,000-watt system with a 12-foot run requires 2-gauge. Wiring is no place to let your customer scrimp or save money. Every portion of the system needs to be protected by a fuse or appropriate breaker. Another thing for them to consider is how are they going to handle the connections. These should all be soldered and have an appropriate shrink tubing applied. Eyelets and blocks can be helpful when wiring a more complex setup. Don't forget color coding to make identification of wires easier during installation and later diagnostics. Your customer will thank you for giving them the right advice and components for their new tunes. Thanks for being with us.